Quizeran1, a online working platform or Quizeran1 company that is famous for its job, and the job mainly focused on the part-time and for the students, and they will offer you job and you will get paid out of this. Firstly, I will review all of this and how it's possible and how they do it. Firstly, what they do is they will send you a message on WhatsApp. For example, hi, this is Jennifer from Google. I came across your profile and think you would be great candidate for virtual customer service job we are hiring for. Can I send you more details? So this message is typically on your WhatsApp. It will be sent to you. Then step two is whenever you will face this issue, please remind that if what are you facing. If the victim responds asking for more information, the scammer sends a follow-up message pitching from a work home opportunity that sounds very exciting. The message like this, as you can see on the screen yourself. The flexibility, high pay, and remote nature makes this sound like an unbelievable opportunity. This convinces victim to engage further with what they believe is a legitimate recruiter. After doing all this, the third is after expressing interest in the job, the victim is sent a link to Quizeran1.top and told this is a website for training program required before new hires can begin working. Here is a portal for our virtual boarding course. All new team members must complete training before accessing job system and functions. Follow the course materials closely so you are ready to start. This message will be pop up in front of you. The professional look of the website promises getting hired, and after completing the course, the victim believes job vetting process. Now, once user on one top with the victim must set up an account and complete a series of repetitive low effort tasks described as training program, such as watching videos, clicking on links, filling out the forms, submitting email addresses, downloading apps, making small purchases. The ability to complete these mundane tasks on a few cents to dollar convinces. Step 5 is they will escalate the fees for grades. After finishing the beginner level task, victim is asked to upgrade from about $25 to 500 in fees. Many desperate victims end up paying escalating upgrade fees, ranging into thousands, believing each payment gets them closer to unlocking their freak job. In reality, they are just fattening the wallets of scammer. Step 6 is they will zero payout. Despite completing endless tasks and paying exorbitant upgrade fees, the promised payout never materializes. Victims find it impossible to withdraw any earnings, receive vague excuses when trying to collect payment, and get hosted when they are no longer useful to the scam. No real job exists. Accuser and top simply extract as much as money possible from the victims through the descendant, physiological manipulation, and while providing zero income in the return. This carefully crafted process entails trust, make victim feel invested in the opportunity and exploit themselves. So please stay away from these type of scams and be aware of that. Thank you so much for watching it. Please subscribe to the channel for watching such updates, videos and reviews like this.